Take a deep breath. Now listen carefully. Every single human on this planet, from the richest billionaire to the poorest struggler, from the most successful athletes to the most confused teenagers, from the most powerful leaders to the most silent dreamers, all of them have exactly one thing in common: 24 hours. Just 24 hours. Not a minute more, not a second less. And yet, some people rise, some people break, some people squeeze diamonds out of their time, and some watch that time slip like sand from their fingers. Today, I will teach you how to manage your 24 hours like champions, creators, and leaders manage theirs. Not through rules, not through pressure, but through a psychological, emotional, and powerful understanding of how time actually works and how your mind can master it. Time is not fast. Time is not slow. Time is neutral. Time doesn't care about your dreams. Time doesn't care about your struggles. Time doesn't care about whether you're motivated or broken. Time simply moves. Every second, every minute, every hour. Quietly, consistently, without stopping. But here is the powerful truth. You have the power to shape what time becomes for you. Time is like clay. You are the artist. The question is, what are you sculpting? A masterpiece? A regret? A routine of excuses? Or the life you always imagined? You often say, I don't have time. I wish I had more hours. 24 hours is not enough. But listen, it's not the hours that are the problem. It's the mental clutter. Your brain is juggling worries, social media, overthinking, regret of yesterday, fear of tomorrow, pressure of expectations, distraction of entertainment, and constant comparison with others. Your 24 hours are not being stolen by tasks. They are being eaten by uncontrolled thoughts. To manage 24 hours effectively, you must learn the art of managing your mind. When the mind is calm, even 24 hours feels like 48. When the mind is chaotic, even 24 hours feels like 6. Successful people do not wake up early because it looks cool. They wake up early because it gives them control. Think of it. The world is quiet. Notifications silent. No demands, no noise. In those early hours, you own your time. You can think clearly, plan calmly, create intentionally, focus deeply. Your energy is highest, your willpower is strongest, and your mind is clean. If you want to master your day, then the morning is your battlefield. Wake up early, not for the world, but for yourself. Here is the simplest and most effective formula for managing 24 hours. 8 hours, work. Focused, deep, distraction-free work. Not pretending to work, not half working, half scrolling, real work. 8 hours, rest. Rest is not optional. Sleep is not laziness. Your brain is a machine. It needs recovery. And 8 hours, you. This includes your dreams, your body, your relationships, your passions, your growth, your learning, your peace. Most people give 10 hours to the world and 0 hours to themselves. And then they wonder why they feel empty. Distraction is the greatest thief of your life. Not failure, not struggle, not poverty, not difficulty. Distraction. Every time you pick up your phone unnecessarily, you lose a piece of your focus and a piece of your future. Every time you go down a YouTube rabbit hole, you waste time that could have changed your destiny. Every time you say, just 5 minutes, you lose 50. The truth is simple. If you don't control your distractions will control your life. You cannot do everything in one day. That is chaos. That is stress. But you can do the most important things. Every night before sleeping, ask yourself, what are the top 3 things I must complete tomorrow to move my life forward? Not 20 things, not 50 things, just 3 powerful life-changing tasks. Finish them, complete them, protect them from distractions like they are diamonds, because they are. When your priorities are clear, your time becomes powerful. One of the hardest skills in time management is learning to say no. No to unnecessary hangouts. No to pointless drama. No to toxic people. No to fake urgency. No to time-wasting habits. No to every demand that destroys your focus. You don't owe anyone your time. You owe yourself your future. Every time you say yes to things that don't matter, you say no to your dreams. Be selective. Be protective. Your time is sacred. Your brain is not designed for multitasking. Multitasking is a myth. You think you're doing more, but you're actually doing everything badly. The world's top performers do one thing at a time, with full intensity, full focus, full presence. When you read, read only. When you study, study only. When you relax, relax fully. When you work, work like a warrior. Give every task the respect of your full attention. Time management is actually energy management. You may have time, but without energy, you cannot use it. Protect your energy by eating clean, sleeping well, reducing negativity, avoiding toxic people, spending time alone, practicing gratitude, exercising daily. Your energy is the battery that powers your 24 hours. Before you sleep, sit quietly for 10 minutes. Review your day. Celebrate your progress. Accept your mistakes. Forgive yourself. Plan the next day. Calm your mind. This 10-minute ritual can change your life more than any 2-hour motivational seminar. Legends do not waste time. They invest time. They do not wait for motivation. They create discipline. They do not complain about not having enough hours. They make every hour count. A champion does not ask, how long will it take? A champion asks, how far can I go today? That mindset separates the extraordinary from the ordinary. Right now, as you listen to my voice, your future is waiting. Your dreams are calling. Your potential is knocking. You have the power to transform your life in the next 24 hours. Not by doing everything, but by doing the right things. You don't need more time. You need more clarity. You need more discipline. You need more courage. You need more self-respect. Because when you respect your time, you respect your life. Your life is not decided by years. It is decided by days. Your days are not decided by hours. They are decided by choices. Every day gives you 24 hours. Every hour gives you 60 minutes. Every minute gives you a chance to rewrite your destiny. So rise, stand tall. Control your 24 hours like the warrior you were meant to be. And remember, you don't need more time. You need to become the person who knows how to use time. Your 24 hours begin now. Make them count.